There is no secret to being happy, you just have to make up your mind to be and you'll be. But in case you need further than that, then are 15 ways you can take to begin learning how to make yourself happy. To be happy is fairly easy, just decide to be a happy person. The choice is simple really, choose to be happy. Suffering is voluntary. Once you choose happy, your world will change to accommodate what it's you and you'll find being a happy person easier to do than you first allowed. Abraham Lincoln formerly said, most people are about as happy as they make up their minds to be. Decide for a moment that you're the stylish person to make you happy and find ways to do that. Remember that no one can make you happy. Your happiness lies more in your hands than it does anyone differently. Allowing he should, she should, they should make you happy puts your life in a shaky position because when people aren't making you. A great way to be happy. Laugh. Horse laugh has an amazing effect on the body, mind, and spirit, raising us when we feel down. Just stop for a nanosecond and remember a really funny incident. It doesn't matter how long ago it happened. Just recall it now and see what you saw, hear what you heard and feel what you were feeling. It should bring back the feeling inside you of being happy. Now whenever you're down, just recall that memory. Horse laugh is a stylish drug. The only thing in life that will always remain the same is change, and in our life we have the power to make the necessary changes if we want to. Indeed, if we find ourselves in an unsupportable situation, we can always find solace in the knowledge that it too will change. Social networks or connections are important. Nothing likes to feel alone, although you now truly are. That's a whole other content. Join groups, dating spots, network groups, whatever it takes to get you socializing. People are different. Accept people for who or what they are. Avoid clashes, constant arguments, and let go of all kinds of resentments. Still, see it from your point of view, also their point of view. If arguments feel necessary, do you stylish to make trouble to understand the situation? What difference does that make for you? Being thankful is a great station. We've so important to be thankful for. Thank the HEP motorist for bringing you home safely, thank the chef for an awful regale, and thank the Joe who cleans your windows. Express your passions, affections, fellowship, and passion to people around you. They will most probably repay your conduct. Avoid holding on to gratitude or frustrations, this is bad for your health. Rather, find ways of expressing them in a way that won't beget injury or detriment to anyone. I love thumping my pillow or screaming loud into my pillow or nearly isolated. I find the stylish drug for expressing my passions is writing in a journal. Literacy is a joyous exercise. Try and learn commodity new every day. Learning also makes us expand and broaden our mid-airs, and could also give us more openings in the future. Run, dance, walk and do other effects that your body was made for. Feel alive. Avoid exposure to negative rudiments like loud noises, poisons, and dangerous places.